Hello friends. Welcome everyone to this stunning PowerPoint tutorial. Watch the full video carefully, which helps you pro in PowerPoint point, and don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Let's go. First, go to the Insert tab. Insert the image from your computer. Then duplicate the image using Ctrl+D. Then reduce the size of the image and make multiple copies. After, select the image and click the Rotate option in Picture Format tab. Choose Flip horizontally. Then select the big image and right-click and go to the Format Picture. Then in Artist Effect, select the blur. Then reduce the radius 16. Then duplicate the image multiple times, and follow the steps carefully that I am doing. Use Shift plus right-click to select the pictures. Select and group the small pictures separately, and then the big size images next. Enter the text and adjust them all. Then duplicate the slide and do like I am adjusting the images outside the slide. Again, duplicate the slide, then adjust the images as I do. Then change the text in it. And go to First Slide. Go to Transition and choose the Morph transition and click Apply to all slides. Guys, our stunning PowerPoint template is ready. Join the Telegram group and the group link in bio, and you can ask the templates. Thanks for watching and subscribe the YouTube channel.